let's begin with a very simple question. एउटा सजिलो प्रश्नसँग सुरु गरौँ. यसको उत्तर थाहा छ भने नभनी हाल्नुहोस् होला, तर उत्तर थाहा छैन भने यसो हात उठाएर ट्राई गर्नुहोस्. There is nothing wrong in giving an answer. It might be right, it may not be wrong. There is nothing called a right answer, but this is just to start a process of thinking. So the question is, think of a number, any number. एउटा नम्बर सोच्नुहोस्, कुनै पनि नम्बर. तपाईको के सोच्नुभयो? 0. अनि तपाईले 7. अनि तपाईले 7. 5. 1. Yours? 9. मैले के गरे भने think of a number, any number भनेको थिएँ हैन. अनि you thought about a number. It could be a single digit number or multiple digit number. But the reason why I asked is to share with you that somehow as Nepalis we only think about small numbers. तर हामीलाई नि के हो कि यो प्रश्न भन्दाखेरि हामी ठुलो नम्बरै सोच्दैनौँ कि. So therein lies our problem, that we are not trained to think big. हामीले नम्बर नै सानो सोच्छौँ भने हाम्रो व्यवसाय कसरी ठुलो हुन्छ हैन. प्रफिट पनि 5% लिने होला, 13% सम्म जाला, या कता 17% सम्म जाला, या पाइसम्म पाइ भन्दा अलिक पर्छ नि. तर do you realize that we don't think big? It was an open question to everybody, that you can think of any number. But even with that question, we don't think about big numbers. Why not 1 lakh or 1 million or 21 million or 3 billion for that matter? What stops us from thinking those numbers? So even when we are working on our companies, our startups and all, if we don't think big, then we are limited by our own inability to work on something big. Yes, when we start, it has to be small. It might start in a garage, it might start at home, it might start in a small office. But it has to progress, right? Why has to be somebody who comes in and say that, no, you can do more. तपाईले अहिले गर्नु भन्दा अझ धेरै गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने किन भन्छ होला? Something to think. Possibly from today itself, you'll start thinking big. That you are not a startup, but a startup can be big as well. You're not a small company, but you can be a big company. सोचाइमा नै हामीले परिधि बाँधियो, एउटा पेरिमिटर राख्यौं भने हामी कसरी प्रोग्रेस गर्ने? सो त्यो सोचलाई बदलिनुहोस्. यो किन भएको भन्दाखेरि maybe the blame has to go into our education system. I say this openly. हाम्रो एजुकेसन सिस्टममा धेरै र्यान्डम चेन्जेस मात्र हैन, उथलपुथल नै गर्नुपर्ने छ. किनभने हाम्रो एजुकेसन सिस्टमले जतिजना पढ्यो जसरी पनि पढ्यो हामीलाई एन्टरप्रेन्योर बन्न सिकाएको छैन. What it teaches us is to become a very good employee. But very seldom does it teach us to become an employer. The mindset of an employer, the mindset of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur सोच भन्दैमा आफू एन्टरप्रेन्योर नै हुनुपर्छ, आफूले नयाँ कम्पनी नै सुरु गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने होइन. तर जहाँ पनि हामी काम गर्छौं त्यो अन्तरप्रेरणाबाट सुरु गर्नु पर्यो. आफूले आफूलाई कसरी प्रेरणा दिने? अरूले भनेको मात्रै ठीक, त्यसलाई च्यालेन्ज कसरी गर्ने? किन हामीलाई एजुकेसनमा कहिले पनि च्यालेन्ज गर्न सिकाएन. अस्ति भर्खर 12 क्लासकोमा एक्जाममा इन्भिजिलेटरहरूले खै तिमीले के पनि ल्याएन भनेरसम्म सोध्यो, सार्नु भइहाल्थ्यो नि. हाम्रो त एजुकेसन सिस्टम त्यस्तो छ नि हैन, जहाँनिर मेरिटलाई कम प्राथमिकता दिन्छ र रोट लर्निङलाई. त्यसबाट हामीले बुझोस् नबुझोस् मतलब छैन. त्यसकारण हामीलाई बाँदर भन्छ कि हैन. तपाई पनि बाँदर, तपाई पनि बाँदर, तपाई पनि बाँदर, म पनि बाँदर. हैन, हामी यहाँ सबैजना छौं, हामी सबै बाँदर हौं भनिन्छ नि. हाम्रो एभोल्युसनमा त वी became humans from monkeys, right? So maybe there's an element of our ancestors in our system. But what we forget is that there was a monkey by the name of Hanuman as well. Ramayana the sabaijanalai थाहा छ. For guests may not know what Ramayana is. It's an old treaty, a mythology it is called, where there was a king which was banished to the forest by his father, and he had to spend 14 years in forest, and then he had to come back. So in that process, his wife Sita gets captured by whom? Ravana, and is taken to Lanka. Right? So then what happens? Then he goes and he finds a monkey army, and he builds the bridge across the sea and goes across to Lanka. Then there is a fight, and in that fight, Rama's brother Lakshmana gets mortally wounded. And उसलाई धनुकाँड लाग्छ अरे, जानेर ऊ अब मर्छ भनेर गरेको हुन्छ. अनि त्यहाँ सबैले के भन्छ भने, यदि कसैले चाहिँ सञ्जीवनी बुटी ल्याइदियो भने, something that gives life back, an Ayurvedic herb, if it gets back, then Lakshman can revive. हैन? अनि अब को चाहिँ जान सक्छ त भन्दाखेरि, अब को जाने त अब त्यो कोले पत्ता लगाउने, कसरी ल्याउने त्यो सञ्जीवनी बुटी भनेर उनीहरू सल्लाह गरेको हुन्छ. Those who have known the story would know that everybody pushes Hanuman to go. And Hanuman says, how can I go? I don't know. But everybody says that you are Pawan Putra Hanuman. No, Pawan भनेको हावा. हैन, हावा देवताको छोरा हो Hanuman. So you can fly भन्छ के. I can fly? I can't fly. How can I fly? I've never flown up before. But when everybody starts to say that you can fly, and you can fly, then Hanuman takes that one step, becomes a leap, flies, goes, brings the Sanjeevani Buti, and rest is history. We might be monkeys, but we have a Hanuman in each one of us. That we can fly, but somebody needs to tell us that we have to fly. We can fly. हामी पनि उड्न सक्छौँ. हामीलाई हाम्रो एजुकेसन सिस्टमले यति साह्रो बाँधिसकेको छ कि हाम्रो माहौलमा हामीलाई उड्न नै एउटा माहौल नै छैन. तर आफूले आफूलाई म सक्षम छु भनेर कुरा गर्यो भने, आफूले आफूलाई विश्वास दिलायो भने हामी सबै उड्न सक्छौँ. There's so much of goodness in our mythological stories, and there's so much of goodness in Nepal as well, and there's so much of goodness in each one of us. हामी पनि हनुमान किन नबन्ने? बाँदर त बाँदरै हो, तर हनुमान भन्ने बाँदर हुनु. हैन, where we make big ideas, we make big numbers, we then fly to reach across. नेपालमा पनि हामी यहाँ बस्दाखेरि धेरैले भन्छ अब नेपाल किन बस्ने? नेपाल त खत्तम छ. बाटो हेर्यो भने बाटै बिग्रेको. हैन, पहिला त लोड सेडिङले बर्बादै थियो. यहाँ बसेर के हुन्छ भनेर आजकलको सानसाना नानीहरूलाई कुरा गरे पनि उनीहरूले नेपालमा किन बस्ने? हैन, सायद तपाईहरुमा मध्येमा पनि धेरैजना बाहिर जान नै कोसिस गर्नु भइरहेको होला. यहाँ अहिले कोसिसमा हुनुहुन्छ. नराम्रो हैन, बाहिर जानु भनेको राम्रो. आफ्नो अनुभवलाई बटुल्न, राम्रो काम गर्न भनेको कुनै पनि नराम्रो हैन. इट इज गुड टु गो. तर हामी जान भनेको नेपाल नराम्रो भनेर नजाउँ, नेपाललाई राम्रै मानेर जाउँ न गयो भने. अहिले पनि हेर्यो भने काठमाडौँकै सिटीमा मापसे कस्तो मजाले अनुशासनसित सबैले पालना गर्छ. राम्रोसँग इम्प्लिमेन्टेसन गर्यो भने मन्त्रीले पनि मान्दो रहेछ नि त. हैन, ठुल्ठुला व्यक्तिहरू जसको ठुल्ठुलो एसयुभीमा गइरहेको हुन्छन्, उनीहरू पनि यार बेलुका चाहिँ अलिकति याद गर्नुपर्छ, त्यहाँ बाटोमा बस्यो नि गाली खाला. हैन, फेरि त्यो गएर त्यो 2 घण्टाको भिडियो हेर्नुपर्छ। त्यो त चलि नै रहेछ नि। हैन कसैले त सोच्यो, ठुलो सोच्यो र ठुलो सोचको अनुसार उनीहरूले गर्यो र भयो पनि। I still remember a couple of years ago हाम्रो इन्डियाबाट एकजना मिडियाको मान्छे, म पनि मिडियाको ब्याकग्राउन्ड भएकोले भेटेको थिएँ। अनि नेपालमा एउटा स्टोरी कभर गर्न आएको भने, किन कभर गर्न आएको भनेको उहाँको स्टोरीको टाइटल थियो द भ्याली इज साइलेन्ट भनेर। किन भन्दा नि हामी यहाँ जुन चाहिँ मेन बाटोतिर हर्न बजाउँदैनौँ नि, धेरै कम। अहिले फेरि बिचमा बानी बिग्रे जस्तो थियो। बट वी डु नट हर्न। इफ यु गो टु अदर सिटिज यु विल हियर द क्याकोफोनी अफ द साउन्ड, होइन, प्याप्यारा पुपु प्याप्यारा पुपु गर्दै। हामीलाई चाह्यो भने त गर्न सक्ने रहेछ नि त। नेपालमा हुँदैन मिल्दैन भन्ने त होइन रहेछ नि त। चाह्यो भने त गर्न सक्ने रहेछ नि। कुनै समयमा 16 घण्टा 18 घण्टासम्म दिनको लोड सेडिङ पनि भयो। तर कुनै व्यक्तिहरू आएर मिलेर चाहिँ लोड सेडिङ त प्लाट्टै गयो। अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो ओभर सप्लाई छ, अब ग्यास चलाउने होइन इन्डक्सन स्टोभ चलाउनु भन्ने किसिमले कुराहरू आइरहेछ। त्यो 5 वर्ष अगाडि अकल्पनीय थियो। Somebody thought big and made it happen. You can also make it happen. You have already been making it happen. You can even become better. What you need to realize is you can do work and make things happen. नेपालमा राम्रो अर्को कुरा के भएको छ भने यो स्टार्टअपको इकोसिस्टम राम्रो प्रगति भएको छ। जब म आफ्नै स्टार्टअप सुरु गरेको थिएँ इन द इयर 2000, I don't know how many were around or no, Gitarak.com भनेर सुरु गरेको थिएँ हैन। हामीले त्यति बेला ई-कमर्स ल्याउने अनि सबभन्दा गाह्रो भनेको ई-कमर्सलाई एउटा पेमेन्ट हुन्छ भने अर्को चाहिँ डेलिभरी सिस्टम गाह्रो हुन्छ भनेर हामीले डेलिभरी सिस्टम सुरु गरेको थियौँ। त्यो बेलामा आफू मात्रै थियो कि गर्नेहरू, 2-4 जना मात्रै थियो, त्यहाँनिर थिनै थिएन। हिजो एकजना टियुको प्रोफेसरले मलाई फेसबुकमा मेसेजहरू पठाएर रहेछ। म फेसबुकमा मेसेजहरू त्यति कम हेर्ने गर्छु। उहाँले चाहिँ सर एउटा मार्केटिङ एसोसिएसन अफ नेपाल सुरु गर्नु पर्यो सर भनेर भन्दै थियो कि 1997 मा हामीले मार्केटाइङ भनेर सुरु गरेको थियौँ किनभने त्यति बेला मार्केटिङ गर्ने मान्छे नै थिएन कि। म मार्केटिङ पढेर आएको, त्यतिबेला यहाँ आउँदाखेरि सोद्धाखेरि तपाईँ यहाँ नबस्नुहोस्, यहाँ मार्केटिङको कुनै जबै पाउँदैन, गाह्रो हुन्छ भनेर भनेको थियो। अहिले आएर द इकोसिस्टम हेज डेभलप सो मच। Even when we started the Techstar startup weekendहरू in the year 2013 मा यो स्टार्टअप भनेको के हो, यो किन चाहिन्छ, घरमा जाँदाखेरि बाउला त भएन यो स्टार्टअप गर्ने भन्ने कुराबाट अहिले आएर everybody is getting into startup. When I used to teach earlier on, when I used to go to college and teach, when I used to ask the students as to what do you want to do after you graduate, 90% of them used to say that I want to be a banker. Because banker was so fashionable, glamorous, a lot of money, and good money too, right? But now things have changed. When you go to the same college and ask, what do you want to become? Students are saying, I want to do something on my own. 50% of them are saying, I want to be an entrepreneur. That's a massive change because our demographic is changing. We have the youth dividend for another 13-14 years. After that, Nepal will also slowly start to become an older generation. अहिले युथको जुन चाहिँ जमात छ up to 40 भन्छौँ, 35-40, and almost 65% of Nepal's population is below the age of 35, which is huge, right? That's the dividend that we can take, and startup revolution is something very, very big, good. And now you have ecosystem like accelerators, incubators, they are coming, they are around. Like you have these kind of awards, you have sponsors who understand the importance of these kind of awards and support. Because if you do not support the ecosystem, the companies will not survive. Bigger companies. So therefore you need ecosystem where young people and all alike, startup भन्ने बित्तिकै फेरि नेपालमा के छ भने 18-19 वर्षकोले गर्ने भन्ने हो कि. But the average startup is 45 years in the global scenario. when people work for some time, gain experience, and then say that, okay, I want to do something on my own. अहिले नेपालमा प्राइभेट इक्विटी फन्डहरू सुरु भएको छ, पहिला त छँदै छैन। तपाईहरुको राम्रो प्रोजेक्ट छ भने there are people who are going to finance your startups, your initiative, not just your startup, the initiative. I am the co-chair at the Federation of Nepalese Chamber of Commerce for Startup and Innovation, FNCCI. We are looking for 50 good big ideas where 50 investors have lined up saying that we have money, we want to invest in 50 companies. Till now we have received only 29 applications and we have rejected 23 of them. Why? The idea is there, but the business plan is not there. Ideally मात्रै हुँदैन। जब स्टार्टअपमा हुन्छ गजब छ यार, यो त दौडिन्छ भनेर हुँदैन, खुट्टा पनि चाहिन्छ दौडिनु। त्यो खुट्टा भनेको बिजनेस प्लान चाहियो। बिजनेस प्लान किन चाहियो भने at the end of the day that initiative of yours must make money, and if an investor is coming in, they must get that return back. So do you have the numbers or the exercise to show that you can bring in investors and they will reap the benefits? Oile nahi. There are 50 investors lined up just in FNCCI. अरूको हाम्रो PO2 मा छ बिजनेस अक्सिजन हैन, अहिलेसम्म 15-16 वटामा गरिसक्यो। अब I had taken one company and they invested $500,000 in that. So there is money in the market. पहिला त्यो 15 वर्ष अगाडि त थिएन त्यो पैसा हैन। अहिले FDI पनि अझ पनि हामीलाई च्यालेन्ज छ बाहिरबाट ल्याउनको लागि। अहिले पनि $500,000 को सिलिङ छ। पहिला $200,000 2 करोड हुन्थ्यो, अहिले 5 करोड भनेर भनिरहेछ नेपालीको। त्यो त्यसमा पोलिसी लेभलमा we are trying to influence and say that it needs to come down भनेर, so that it encourages startups. Startups को लागि even $50,000 is a lot of money. Even $10,000 for some, it is a good seed capital. But as a company, are you qualified? Is the question that you need to ask yourself. You might be part of the award here, recipient of the award, but tomorrow you want to grow. Do you have a business plan? Do you have a product that matches the expectations of the customer? Do you have the value propositions that is seen as benefits by customers, and whether they buy your product or not? नेपालमा अर्को के पनि भयो भने यो जब इकोसिस्टम ठुलो हुँदै गयो, 2-4 वर्ष अगाडि ग्रान्टरप्रेन्योर्स भन्ने पनि बन्न थाल्यो। एन्टरप्रेन्योर्स हैन, ग्रान्टरप्रेन्योर्स। प्रपोजल लेख्ने, ग्रान्ट लिने, प्रपोजल लेख्ने, ग्रान्ट लिने हैन। त्यो सुरुवाती क्षणको लागि एकदम राम्रो, इट्स नट ब्याड। तर त्यो अम्माउ जस्तो हो कि बानी लाग्नु भएन कि ए अर्को 10 करोड त आइहाल्छ नि, मैले यताबाट अप्लाई गर्ने बित्तिकै भन्नु भएन। आफ्नो बिजनेसलाई अझ सुदृढ सक्षम कसरी बनाउने, त्यो ग्रान्टले हाउ क्यान यु मेक इट बेटर भन्ने कुरा ल्याउनु पर्यो। नेपाल जस्तो देशमा जब FDI को पोसिबिलिटी छैन, देयर इज नो अदर अप्सन बट टु अल्सो डिपेन्ड अन द good work that so many organizations are doing, including grants. That is important. त्यो चाहिँदैन भन्नु पनि भएन, तर आएपछि तपाईले राम्रोसँग युज गर्न सक्नु पर्यो। भोलि इन्भेस्टरले के हेर्छ? I have been through an accelerator, 2 accelerators rather, as a participant 9 महिनाको। त्यो ग्राइन्डमा तपाईहरु जानु भएको छ कि छैन? So that you have a pitch deck, इन्भेस्टर्सहरुलाई देखाउनको लागि रेडी छ कि छैन? हैन म भेरा छु, आफ्नो सामर्थ्य छ, मलाई इन्भेस्टर चाहिँदैन भने that is a different story, right? But if you are looking for funds, which I am sure you want to look for if you want to expand, you need to have a proper investment deck. भन्छौं पिचिङ गर्नलाई, अनि त्यो डेक हुने भनेको त हाम्रो बिजनेस प्लान राम्रो बन्नु पर्यो। इन्भेस्टरले जब हेर्छ हैन, उनीहरूले जब ब्याङ्कले हेरेको जस्तो, ब्याङ्कमा गयो भने त नेपालमा सर्टकट चाहिँ के छ भने मेरो जग्गा छ भने ब्याङ्कले पनि ठिकै छ नि त भनेर दिने होला, तर एभ्रिबडी मे नट ह्याभ द कोलाटरल, जग्गा नहुन सक्छ होइन। यदि आफूले पैसा हाल्नु पऱ्यो भने आफ्नै परिवारकै पैसा हाल्नु पऱ्यो भने त्यो डुब्दैन भन्ने त एउटा के साङ्केतिक आउनु पऱ्यो नि कागजमा, त्यसमा तपाईँहरूले काम गर्नु सक्नु पऱ्यो होइन। आज म यहाँ आएको पनि धेरै कुरा भन्न आएको होइन। एउटा कुरा चाहिँ के हो भने हामीले सुरुमा भने जस्तै तपाईँहरूले सोच ठुलो बनाउन सक्नु पऱ्यो होइन। त्यो सोच अनुसार तपाईँहरू काम गर्न सक्नु भएको छ कि छैन भनेर हुनु पऱ्यो। त्यसको पछि यहाँ पनि सक्षम छ है, नेपालमा पनि हामी गर्न सक्छौँ भन्ने पनि कुरा आउनु पऱ्यो। अनि पछि गएर तपाईँहरूले स्टार्टअपलाई अझ राम्रो गर्नु छ, कम्पनीजलाई अझ राम्रो बनाउनु छ भने बिजनेस प्लान पनि हुनु पऱ्यो। त्यो बिजनेस प्लानको डकुमेन्ट तपाईँहरूले बनाउनु भएको छ कि छैन? त्यो बिजनेस प्लान भनेको साथीहरू होला एकाउन्टिङमा, चार्टर्ड एकाउन्टेन्ट पनि होला, उहाँलाई ल्याएर बनाउने आफ्नो ठाउँमा छ, तर बिजनेसको रूपमा त्यो 5 इयर प्लानको 3 इयर प्लानको मोर बन्नु पर्यो, ताकि तपाईँहरूले थाहा हुन्छ कि ए दिस इज द डेस्टिनेसन द्याट आई वान्ट टु गो टु, दिस इज हाउ मेबी आई विल रिच। तपाईँहरूको बिजनेसमा चाहिने भनेको बिजनेस प्लान अलावा एडभाइजर र मेन्टर छ कि छैन? Because they make a lot of difference. In the outside world, you have to pay top dollars to have mentors and advisors in your company. तर नेपालमा त अझ पनि एक्सेसिबल छ, थोरै पैसामा पनि एक्सेसिबल छ। तर हामी के गर्छौँ भने हाम्रो आइडिया अरूले चोर्छ भनेर हामी भन्दैनौँ कि हैन। But if you go into an idea bank, you will find that your idea has been done 5 years ago, 10 years ago by many people. And what you are doing is not completely new. Unless there are some initiatives that are very, very new. But you'll find some replication. And maybe there are people who have already worked on those ideas. Seek help. सहयोग माग्नु भनेको आफू कमजोर भएको भन्ने होइन। हामी पनि क्लासमा हुँदाखेरि सरहरूले प्रश्न सोद्धाखेरि कहिले पनि हात उठाएर हामी कहिले प्रश्न सोध्ने भनेको हाम्रो बानी नै छैन। हामी कुनै सेमिनार वर्कसपमा जानु भयो भने तपाईँ आफै पनि हात उठाएर सोध्नुहुन्न होला, किन सोध्ने यार, क्या खाएको त हामी त यहाँ त सोल्टीको लन्च पो खानु आएको, कहाँ त्यो कुरा सुन्नु आएको। त्यो सोचबाट हामी राम्रोसँग व्यवसाय गर्ने हो भने त्यो चाहियो, इन्टरभेन्सन चाहियो, सपोर्ट चाहियो। And asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Asking for help is a sign of strength, that you know what you're doing and what are the gaps in the system, you are asking them. It is very important. यहाँ कतिजनाको मेन्टर्सहरू छ? 1 2 3 4, which is very good. आधा मेन्टर मात्रै रहेछ कसैको, ए पुरै हो, म त आधा मेन्टर मात्रै होला। So you need those mentors. You need expertise to help you. So apart from the business plan, what is required for you to be successful? One, what you need is hard work. Right? If you do not put in your hard work, it is not possible. तपाईहरु इन्टरनेशनल कुनै प्रोग्राममा सहभागी हुनुभयो भने, जस्तै एक्सेलरेटर होला या इन्क्युबेटर होला या अरू पनि धेरै छ, तपाईले थाहा हुन्छ कि कति घोटाउँछ भनेर उनीहरुले। यहाँ त आयो, हावा खायो, म छु भन्यो, साइन गरे गयो हैन, तर आफ्नो बिजनेसलाई त फरक पारेन। उनीहरुले यति प्रश्न सोध्छ कि निद्रा नै खराब हुन्छ। अनि त्यो हार्ड वर्क चाहियो। And if you look at any successful entrepreneurs, if you see them, they have been working hard. उनीहरुको लाइफस्टाइल नै यति साह्रो राम्रो भइसकेको हुन्छ कि उनीहरु खटिरहेको हुन्छ, आफ्नो लक्ष्यलाई पुग्नको लागि राम्रो गरिरहेको हुन्छ। Even Steve Jobs, if you have read his biography, there's a small story that when he was small, सानो हुँदाखेरि उसको नेबर छिमेकीले एउटा गराज चलाउँदै रहेछ। गराजमा त्यो पम्पहरू हैन मोटरहरू घ्यारेर गर्ने गर्दो रहेछ। ऊ चाहिँ जहिले पनि गएर सानो उत्सुकता भएर के चाहिँ गर्दो रहेछ भनेर हेर्नु जाँदो रहेछ। अनि त्यो ओनरले पनि त्यो स्टिभ जब्स सानो खुच्चे आइरहेको देखिरहेको होइन, उसलाई पनि के सिकाउने गर्ने गर्दो रहेछ। अनि एक दिन उसले त्यो टिनको पट्टा छ नि त्यो लिएर आइज भनेर भन्दो रहेछ। त्यो टिनको पट्टा घरेर लिएर आयो अनि त्यो मोटरमा फिक्स गर्छ क्या। अनि खुइ घुम्ने भयो होइन। अनि 3-4वटा ढुङ्गा लिएर आइज भन्छ। ढुङ्गा लिएर आइज भने किन लिएर आयो, बाहिर गएर कात्रा कुत्रुक भएको 5-6वटा ढुङ्गा लिएर आउँछ। अनि त्यो टिनभित्र हालेछ। अनि मोटर सुरु गर्दैछ। भयो क्या त आवाज आयो नि होइन। अब त बस्नै नसकेर म त जान्छु भनेर गयो। भोलिपल्ट फर्किँदाखेरि उसले त्यो टिनको भित्र हेर्दाखेरि त्यो ढुङ्गाहरू त सबै पलिस भएर कस्तो राम्रो भइरहेको छ होइन, मोती जस्तो भइरहेको छ त्यो ढुङ्गा। अनि स्टिभ जब्सलाई भन्छ कि तँलाई सुन्नु त मन परेन नि, ढुङ्गाहरू पनि राम्रोसँग मोती जस्तो बन्नको लागि त you need to go through some friction, some hard work. No? Without that hard work, things are not going to happen. You might be a diamond, but right now you possibly are a charcoal. Right? Only after you put in a lot of pressure that the charcoal becomes a diamond. So that pressure, that hard work is very, very important and required. The second component that is required, apart from your technical skills, apart from your business skills, is to work in a team. पहिला म एकल काटे भएर म आफै गर्छु भनेर गर्नु मिल्छ, but in today's world it is not possible. So therefore, even investors, they look at entrepreneur set. They don't invest in a company which has only one entrepreneur. They look at partners. Do you have co-founders which has complementary skill sets? उसकोमा फाइनेन्स छ, उसले मार्केटिङ गर्छ, उसले अपरेसन्स गर्छ, उसले प्रोडक्ट डेभलपमेन्ट गर्छ, के गर्छ, त्यो सबै हेर्ने आजकल इन्भेस्टरले त्यसरी हेर्छ। तपाईकोमा पनि त्यो टिम छ कि छैन? अनि टिम हुने बित्तिकै के हुन्छ नेपालमा, जुन चाहिँ अघि वर्षाले पनि अलिकति छोएको भनेको कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स। कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स अहिले छैन भने you cannot be a leader. You are not able to lead your team, nor to talk to your clients, nor to talk to anybody and become successful. Especially IT companies. Recently in 2019, November, there was a survey done by Infosys. You know what an Infosys company is, one of the big software conglomerate. So they interviewed 1,000 customers, not their own employees, but customers who had a billing of over $1 billion. So they interviewed as to what is important in an employee. What do you seek in a client service executive? You'll be surprised to know that the first was leadership, the second was teamwork, and the third was communication. Technical skills were down below. Technical skills that it is given, everybody has technical skills. But do you have the ability to work in a team and to communicate? Do you have public speaking skills? Can you write well? Can you communicate well? Without that, not going to happen. They wrote to the Indian Chartered Accountant Institute saying that send us your top 20 chartered accountants. 20 accountants were sent. After 6 months, 80% of them were fired. You know why? Not because they were not good, they were top chartered accountants, but they did not have communication skills. They did not know how to talk to their clients, talk to their internal customers. Therefore, they suffered. In today's world, in services marketing, we talk about two kinds of customers. One is external to your company, and one is internal to your company. Your peers, your staff, your employees, your seniors, they are your customers also. We ignore them. If we are able to communicate with them, उनीहरुसँग राम्रोसँग कुरा गर्न सक्यो, राम्रोसँग reach out गर्न सक्यो भने, then it makes sense. That matters a lot. These things are very, very important. Charles Schwab was an American fighter pilot. So he was a fighter pilot. Then many years back, they were in Vietnam fighting, and he had already completed 75 successful sorties, as it is called, as a fighter pilot. But on the 76th, his plane was shot, and he had to bail out, and he flew down on a parachute. He went into the enemy territory, the enemies captured him, and he was in jail for 6 years before the war was ended, and then he was sent back to US. So after he went back, he was walking on one of the streets, and somebody came and said that, "Aren't you Charles, the very famous fighter pilot?" He got surprised and said, "How do you know me?" And said that, "Oh yeah, remember that plane that was shot down and you came down in the parachute?" "Yes, yes, yes. That is what I did. I packed that parachute in that plane. It was me who made sure that the parachute was right." And he was shocked. You can Google that story. He's a motivational speaker now. This story is real. And what it tells us is that in our path to success, there could be many such individuals who might have helped you in the background without people knowing it. Please do not forget them. Please do not forget those small funds that your family members might have given you, or maybe the lunch or the dinner they might have served you because you are hungry and you didn't have money at that point in time, or you have traveled somewhere and somebody gave you some place to stay and all that. Do not forget those individuals, because it is because of them you are successful. Please keep these things in mind, and I wish you all the best in your journey. Congratulations to you once again, and I'm open to any questions if they are there.